Hello, today I'll be teaching how to do a star. So first you're going to want 10 beads, set them in like a little star pattern like this. If it helps you, usually it's good for beginners, and you're going to need string. I sped this clip up because it was going to take a bit, but you need 10 beads. Right now we're doing a swirly star. Anyway, you slide them all to the end of the string, and you tie them off, I'd say around 3 times. Here's a slow version in case you don't know. You put the small one under the big one, and then you just tuck it in, and then you clip. And then obviously it doesn't look very star-like now, but if you push in these beads, like what I'm doing, only every other one, it starts to look like a little star, but we're not done yet. So you want to cut off a little bit of the string, but not the entire thing, because you don't want it to come undone. So leave a bit on there, and then you want to kind of like hide that string. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the end of the string and you're going to weave it into one of the white ones. And by doing that, you just stick the string into the white one next to it from where it's coming out of, and then into the next bead over, into the next black bead. And then you make sure the knot is in the white bead, but the string is coming out of the black bead. Sorry if that's confusing. I'm terrible at explaining. Your star might get a little messed up in the process, so you're going to want to fix that. Anyways, now that that's done, we have to take the end of our string and we're going to put 3 beads, and those are going to make up the points. So to make it swirly, you're going to add 2 of whatever color you're using for the big swirly. I'm using black. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to put on one of the secondary color, or the shorter swirly, which I'm using white. You're going to pull them to the end, and you're going to weave your string into the next black bead. So we're skipping that white bead. And so we just put it through, and then we pull it, and then you'll see that it kind of looks like a point, but we have to fix it, and you can fix it by adjusting the beads like this. And you can see the swirl, sort of. It looks better all together. Anyway, I'm going to do one more with you guys, and then that is all, and I'll let you go through. You can always rewatch this part, but putting on the 2 black beads, and then the white bead, and then I'm going to weave it through the next black bead, not a white bead. Don't go through the white beads, go through the black beads, see? And then this point, I'm also going to do the last point with you guys, obviously, but yeah. So on to the last point. It can be slightly difficult because you might not know where to put the string, but you're going to bead like you've been, and you are going to stick it in that bead right there. Not the one part of the point of the first one we did, but that bead that we haven't gone through right there. And then you just pull it through, and if your point ends up looking all pointy like this, you should get a swirly star of some sort. Now, next you need to tie it off so it doesn't get like all like falling apart. So you stick it through the hole of that one that you just went next to, and then you make a little loop almost, and you pull that string through, and make sure that it gets on that bottom area, not the top area. And then you do that around 2 or 3 times. I think I only did it 2 times, but you can do it 3 times just to be safe. I actually recommend 3 times. I don't know why I did it 2 times in this video. Yay! And then after you finish tying, you can fix any points you need to fix. And remember to hide your knots. It's going to be very important, hiding your knots. And then same thing that we did before when we cut the string. You want to cut it not too close so the knot doesn't come undone. And then move your extra string aside and tuck in that loose string. Just put it in a bead. And then obviously adjust your star if you need to, and you're done. There's a little swirly star. You can just have it as this, make it a keychain, or you can put it on a necklace or put it on a bracelet. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!